The SDG810 Siglent arbitrary function waveform generator. It's been sat on the shelf for some time, and I got it out the other day, and when I powered it up, I basically got the bootloader screen, this point, and after a couple of minutes I could hear a relay click, and then the screen just went completely blank with all the keys still lit up. So it made me just think, oh, what's going on here? So, being the type of person I am, I dismantled the unit, which is quite easy to do. There's only 3 screws. You take the back off and there's a screw underneath, and then the whole thing slides out like a tray. To get inside the Siglent, it's simple enough. There's a screw on the back there, there's a screw on the back there, the cover removes, and there's a central screw just there, which you just need to take out. And then with a little bit of effort, you can just slide the cover off, giving you access to the back of the board, the SD card slot, and obviously the front of the boards. So you've got your power supply down here, your main control board, your ribbon cable, and anything you need to check on there. But it is that simple to dismantle. I got the hot air gun out, started just flashing over or blowing over these SMD chips. I checked the ribbon cables, I checked the voltage supplies down here off the power supply, and I couldn't find anything wrong. So eventually I was thinking, oh, this is a quick eBay sale, somebody else can have the issue. But then a little bit of googling, and apparently it seems to be a common issue that I'm powering on the units just display a blank screen and all the function keys light up or they don't light up. It seems to be random, and the issue seemed to be was I needed to reinstall the bootloader firmware. So I contacted Siglent and in Germany, gave them the serial number and the current firmware version I was running, and they've kindly sent me some files which you need to put onto a small SICK SD card, FAT32 formatted, no bigger than 16 gigabytes. So copy the files across onto that. And on the back of the unit there is an SD card slot. So effectively you just put the SD card into there, come around the front, power it up, and wait. And eventually it will boot back into the current firmware, which they give you version 1.08.01 13R5. Now mine did just keep flashing. It got to a certain point, and the screen, I heard a relay click, the screen flashed, it went off. So eventually, after about 5 minutes of that happening, I just turned it off. Took out the USB stick and powered it up, and it powered up fine. And then from there on I just did a normal update via the USB on the front. And strange thing is though, see that one? No, it's not. I'm now showing version 108.01 15R2, and the model now for some reason says SDG830, which obviously it's an 810. It's working. I'm not really that bothered, to be honest. So but via that firmware update, it does seem to have either changed the model or I've just never noticed that before. But yeah, so if you've got that issue where the screen's just blank, don't despair. Just contact Siglent, and I would try and put a link in the description on who to contact, and give them your serial number and current firmware version, and hopefully they'll send you through the files. It took a few days for them to send it to me, but it was over the weekend, so I'm grateful for that. It's up and running again now, so I can start using this again. Either that, it was going to go on eBay as a faulty. Hope that helps if anybody's got this issue.